Baked German stuffed mushrooms, serves 4, prep time 30 minutes. Crispy herb and Emmental topped stuffed cremini mushrooms. First, the ingredients. 12 large cremini mushrooms, about 1 pound, keep the stems for the filling. 1/2 cup breadcrumbs. 1/2 cup shredded Emmental cheese. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. 2 tablespoons melted butter. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wipe 12 large cremini mushrooms with a damp cloth and gently remove the stems, keeping the caps intact. Chop the removed stems finely until you have about 1 cup of chopped stems from the 12 mushrooms. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat and sauté the chopped stems with 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 2 minutes until softened. Remove the skillet from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup shredded Emmental cheese, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice until evenly combined. Season the filling with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, tasting and adjusting as needed. Spoon the filling into the 12 mushroom caps, pressing gently to mound the mixture into each cap until all filling is used. Brush a baking sheet with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and arrange the filled mushrooms in a single layer, cap side down, leaving a little space between each. Brush the tops with 2 tablespoons of melted butter to help the crust brown and get a golden finish. Bake the mushrooms at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 minutes until the tops are golden and the cheese is bubbly. Carefully remove the tray from the oven and let the mushrooms rest on the sheet for 2 minutes to settle. Transfer the baked mushrooms to a serving plate, sprinkle with the remaining 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and serve warm. Now enjoy your warm stuffed mushrooms. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these German baked stuffed mushrooms, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more recipes.